You're watching the Weiss channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to read a ruler. Let's assume that this length represents 1 inch. If this length here represents 1 inch, then the halfway point represents half an inch. And you think of it like this. From zero, there's 1, 2 spaces that are that big. So this is 1 of the 2, and this is 2 out of 2. 2 out of 2, of course, is 1. Okay. So here, if you have 4 spaces between 0 and 1, this will be 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4. Right? But the catch is this: we don't call it 2/4 because 2/4 reduces to 1/2. So that middle one is going to be 1/2. Okay. What if you have 8 spaces? Then you have 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, 8/8. But now, again, we reduce, meaning 2/8 and 6/8, those are going to be 1/4 and 3/4. Okay. 4/8 is going to be 1/2, right? Okay. So the eighths, you reduce them when you can. And then we go to 16ths, right? 1/16, 2/16, 3/16, 4/16, 5/16, 6/16, 7/16, 8/16, 9/16, 10/16, 11/16, 12/16, 13/16, 14/16, 15/16, 16/16. But we reduce where we can. So ultimately it looks like this. The longest space on an inch in a ruler besides the whole numbers is going to be the halfway point, half. Okay? Then after the half, it's going to be the fourths. 1/4, of course, this is 2/4, and this is 3/4. After the fourths, it's going to be the eighths, right? Here's 1/8, this is 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, 8/8. And then the 16ths, this is 1/16, 2/16, 3/16, 4/16, 5/16, 6/16, 7/16, 8/16, 9/16, 10/16, 11/16, 12/16, 13/16, 14/16, 15/16, 16/16. Okay. So if I said, what's the length of this line up here? Hopefully you would tell me 5/8. Okay. Now, if you were between 6 and 7, let's say instead of 0, this was 6, and instead of 1, this was 7. This length then would be 6 and 5/8, right? Which would look like this: 6 and 5/8. And we use that mark there to represent inches. Okay? And that is reading a ruler. You've been watching the Weiss channel.